Here we have Quizlet. The reason why Quizlet was chosen is because I found it to be pretty clear-cut. Though it is simple and not as entertaining as a lot of the other websites, I believe that this tool can be used really well to support learning outside of the classroom. But while it's not as entertaining as some of the other activities, this can be used to create flashcards and other tools to help understand maybe more complex concepts instead of just like math facts. This very well could possibly take the place of a lot of like day before test studying. You could add to categories and folders and sets as you go through the lessons to increase the amount of content that the students can study outside the class. If students were encouraged maybe once a day to go through flashcards to get key terms, key concepts, vocabulary, it cuts down on a lot of the stress and cramming before either an exam or just a major assignment. If they know that the major assignment has concepts that you've covered before in these flashcards, they can go through the flashcards individually and find the information that they need. This audience is primarily for students. It can be used for teachers and other groups who are part of other communities, but from my perspective, this is best focused on students. The ISTE standards being addressed here are the one for students under Empowered Learner. 1C, practice. You all know the saying, practice makes perfect, and school is definitely no different than any athletic event or sport. The more you practice, the easier something is going to get, and the longer it's in your brain. The concepts that I only looked at once, I definitely don't remember, but the time I spent studying and learning new things and keep going over it and over and over it, it becomes ingrained in your memory, and it's a lot harder to forget. The other standard that's being addressed here is for the educators, designer, and 5C, because this website creates a environment that the teacher can affect to help the students learn outside of the classroom. It's on the teacher to keep things up to date and relevant to what they're learning. Real easy to go to. I actually had an account made. I don't ever remember using this. I did. Go through, make a few cards, randomize it. You can have them either match the definition to the term or the term to the definition, and students will get immediate feedback of whether they're right or wrong, and they will see the answers right after. This one isn't as much for a grade as it is just for student practice. Thank you.